Imagine 110 million pesos, hindi kwento, hindi pangako, real cash, counted, sealed, and officially brought back to the Filipino people. This is the first tranche of the 300 million pesos committed return, and it's already shaking up the entire case. I'm Tomas, and today on News in Focus, we break down the biggest recovery yet in the flood control corruption probe, and why this moment matters far beyond the headline. Let's start with the headline. DPWH engineer Henry Alcantara returned 110 million pesos in cash. Hindi pangako, hindi lang report, totoong pera. Counted, verified, at na-turn over sa DOJ, Land Bank at Bureau of Treasury. Seeing the nation's money physically come back, that's the moment justice stops being abstract and becomes real. Ito pa lang ang first part ng 300 million pesos na committed niyang ibalik. Pero para sa bayan, iba ang impact nito kasi kitang-kita ang tunay na accountability. Pero hindi lang ito usapin ng pera, ito ay usapin ng proseso, prinsipyo at integridad. Acting Secretary Vida, malinaw ang mensahe. Kung nagsisisi ka, ibalik mo sa bayan. Diyan nagsisimula ang tunay na hustisya at core ng restitution program. To be considered as a state witness, suspects must show good faith. That starts with returning the funds. The public presentation of the cash was deliberate, a bold transparency measure designed to rebuild public trust. Hindi dito nagtatapos ang laban. Former DPWH Undersecretary Roberto Bernardo nagbalik ng 7 million pesos na frozen ng AMLC at na-transfer sa DOJ. Curly at Sara Diskaya, tahimik pa rin, pero malinaw. Tayo ang nawalan, kaya tayo ang magtatakda. The state decides who qualifies. The state controls the evaluation, and the state moves the case forward. 3 out of 5 cases submitted, the remaining 2 set for hearing on December 5. Tahimik man, pero ramdam ng bayan. Solid, steady, at hindi matatawaran ang progress. Bumabalik na ang pera ng bayan. Transparency, malinaw sa harap ng lahat, at bawat piso na naibabalik panalo para sa bawat Pilipino. I'm Tomas, and this has been News in Focus. Calm voices, clear truths, real talk. If you want more grounded updates like this, follow, like, and share para mas marami pang Pilipino ang makakita ng totoong galaw ng hustisya.